In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an NFT on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fill out the key details so your NFT is ready to mint and share. First, head to the OpenSea website. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand side and click Studio. This is OpenSea's creation hub, and it's where you'll manage collections and mint individual items. Inside Studio, you'll see your available collections. Choose the collection you want this NFT to live in, then click into it. If you're organizing a larger project, think of the collection as the folder that keeps your related items together, with shared settings and branding. Next, open the Media and Metadata section. This is where you'll prepare the core of your NFT, the media file itself, and the information that describes it. Good metadata helps collectors understand what they're looking at and why it matters. Click Upload. You can either click to select a file or drag and drop it into the upload area. Aim for high-quality media that represents your work well, and be mindful of typical file size and format guidance for images, videos, or audio so everything loads smoothly. After the file is in, give your item a clear, memorable name. Keep it consistent with your collection style and avoid special characters that can be hard to search. Next, enter the supply. A supply of one makes this a one of one. A higher number creates multiple editions of the same item. Think about scarcity and how it aligns with your goals before deciding. Add a description that provides context. Share the story behind the piece, techniques used, or any traits that make it unique. Well-written descriptions build trust and help your NFT stand out in search. If you have a relevant external page, like a project site or a portfolio, you can include an optional URL. Only link to sources you control or fully trust, and keep it professional. When everything looks good, click Mint. OpenSea will process your media and metadata and create the item within your chosen collection. Give it a moment to finalize. Once it's minted, you'll see it listed in the collection with its details and media preview. From there, you can manage the item, update information if needed, and later choose to list it for sale when you're ready. That's it. You went from the OpenSea homepage to Studio, selected your collection, prepared your media and metadata, uploaded your file, filled in the name, supply, description, and optional URL, and completed the mint. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, professional NFT ready to share.